That was a good idea that I came back out here. Oh my heck, it's right there. They're ripping it up. Good thing I didn't leave. I would have come back disappointed tomorrow. Oh, they did it already. Oh, the stairs are coming apart. That was a cool look. Oh shoot, I stopped recording right when I started to take that one out. That was dumb of me. Why did I do that? Wow, it's interesting to see how they handle those. Well, can't go downstairs anymore. Or upstairs anymore, I guess, whichever one that is. Where is that? Oh, that's part of the Skylight. This is how you break an escalator. Whoa, what? That was fun too. Whoa, here we go. Whoa! Whoa! Sweet deal. Oh my heck. Oh, wait till the dust clears. Oh yeah, some more. Let's see this big old chunk. Oh, yeah, I want to see that come off. That's a piece of parking lot and roof at the same time. You have to do those first escalators. Let me come over and do these other three, okay? My turn. I want to have some of the glory, some of the fun. I would be the one saying that because this guy already got some of the fun. Oh, hey guys, let's take out the skylight, shouldn't we? We can let a little more light in the room that way. Oh. Didn't see it coming. Come on, take down that other set of escalators. I want to see that before they getting some stuff done. Now you can see some of the racks there right in one of the stores. Put once and it just crumbles to the ground. Whoa! Can we say almost crashed into the track hoe?